come back.
When she walked in the door. So, she wouldn't lie about anything. Because her mouth was all swollen up. Or, not really, but she knew that we knew she was sick. What bothered her the most was that she was scared.
On December 30th, Tina told her mother that she was planning to come home.
I love you a lot.